What's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna show you how to create this shake effect inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So now let's jump on it in Adobe After Effects. Let's see how it is. So guys, this is the video clip which I'm going to use. So I have two different video clips. This is the first clip and then this is the second one, the close-up one. So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to combine it together because I just want to have the one clip. So select it all, right click and then click on this pre-compose. For this pre-compose, let me name it as footage, yeah, because I want one footage, right? So and here I'm going to find where I can put my shake effect, okay? So you can add any shake. So here, yes, I got it. So let me add this shake effect here. So let me search the effect called wiggle. So I have to use this wiggle position. As you see here, there is many wiggle, rotation, scale, share, gelatin. So I have to use wiggle position. So now you have to drop it here on this timeline and then there is one. So this frame is where I have to add this wiggle effect, okay? So and let me try to move backward the few frames, okay? So let me add 0 here for this wiggle amount and then 0 here again for this wiggle speed. So let me add the keyframe, okay, for each. So and then I have to back to jump like a few frames. So and then let me add 5 for this wiggle speed. And then in this wiggle amount I have to add 50. And then also I'm going to jump another few frames, okay, for this wiggle. You see guys, I have already 4 frames, so now I have to jump another few frames, okay? So here and then I have to add 0 also, okay? This is nice. So when I play guys, you see, wow, that's great shake effect, man. That's pretty nice, okay? Let me select those all keyframes, okay, and I'm going to smooth, right click, keyframe assistant, F9 as a shortcut. So open up this graph and I'm going to smooth this graph, okay? So for smoothing this graph, yeah, smooth it in this way, but you have to check it well if this your graph it is in edit speed, okay? So and then let me smooth this one too in this way, like this. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice, and when you play, wow, this is looks good. This is nice, okay? And guys, so the things I'm going to add to, and I'm going to add the exposure when this shake is shaking, okay? So you see the exposure, okay, and for this color correction, right? Okay, so you have to add this exposure here for this footage, and then so let me open up again this footage. Let me go to add some keyframe for this exposure, okay? So and I have to add the keyframe here for the first exposure when my exposure is 0, okay? So let me open up this master for exposure. And then I have to jump like another frames, okay? So I have to add 1, and then when you come back here at the end, so you have to add also 0 for closing the exposure, okay? So and then also you have to select those keyframe exposure and you have to smooth it, right click, easy F9 as a shortcut, okay? And also you have to smooth by using this graph, okay? So select those 2 keyframes first, smooth it in this way, and then this one too, smooth it in this way, something like this, okay? So and then now I'm gonna play and let me see how this exposure is. Wow, this is nice, man. This is nice. This looks good, okay? This is how you can create this exposure. So let me duplicate this exposure, select those one, and I have to copy, and then you have to create Ctrl+V for paste, okay? and then you have to add these center frames where you have my clip with this combined. Okay, so when you play, you see guys, this is nice transition for effect. Guys, this effect you can use it as effect. Okay, you can use it as also transition. Okay, this is looks good, this is looks good also. So let me duplicate once more. Okay, so you select it all, Ctrl+C for copy, and then you click Ctrl+V for paste. Okay, and then you move this middle keyframe here for where the blue line it is. So when you see the final result. Guys, this is how you can create this shake effect, shake transition effect inside Adobe After Effects. If you have any question, please link it in the comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I see you in next video. Peace.